Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to apply filter on our pivot table. You can see how powerful it is. So whenever I click on my pivot chart, so it appears here. You can see we have a section here just for filter. So it's pretty easy. If you want to filter our table by anything, we just drag this from here. For example, I want to filter this by customer type. I just select this and drag, put in filter. You can see I have now the customer type here. When I click here, you can see I have all of them. I can just select two of them and okay, you can see it's very powerful. I just want to have just one of them, corporate, and okay, you can see the changes here and here. These are 0. Now when I select all back, okay, you can see, you can notice the changes. But if I don't want to filter by this, I just drag this and drop here. Yes, it removes from here. And here, if I want to like filter this by account manager, I just drag this and drop here. You can see I have the account manager here. You can see here the total is 1000. Yeah, 1000. And I just come here and select just 4 of them and okay, you can see. So because it's the total of average and I want to change it to the sum. You can see I have now 316,000 my grand total is. And when I come here and remove this, check all of these, okay, you can see I have more than 1 million. And here if I want to apply here filter, I want to filter this, I want to apply by year. Just drag this here. You can see I have year here, and when I come here and I just need for 2022, okay, you can see some of my account managers, they don't have anything with 2022. I just come here. Now we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 people. When I come, select all. Yep, you can see it works magically, and also it's very powerful. Not only this one, if you want to add column, if you want to add value, anything, if you don't want that, we just drag this here, drop like this. You can see I don't have the table. Yeah, that's very powerful. So that's it about filtering the pivot table. If you're new here, please subscribe to my channel and don't forget to hit the bell icon. Thank you so much.